Meaning of eye bath.
Eyebath.
Eye bath.
Eyebath.
Eyebath. An eyebath is a small container used for washing or irrigating the eyes. Typically, it is filled with a sterile saline solution or clean water and used to flush out any foreign objects or irritants that may be present in the eye. The process of using an eyebath involves tilting the head backwards and placing the rim of the container against the eye, allowing the liquid to flow over the eye and cleanse it. This can help to relieve discomfort and prevent further irritation or infection. Overall, an eye bath is a simple but effective tool for maintaining eye health and hygiene.